Hello there everyone, welcome back to Tintana. My name is Anna, and today for this video I'm going to do some ink swatching. I haven't done ink swatching recently, so today we're going to take a look at three very fun shimmery inks. So I've prepped up my space already. I am swatching on Tomoe River paper. I am using the Galen leather everyday notebook. They use Tomoe River paper, and I've already prepared my page here. As you can see, I stamped it with Beverly stamp made in Japan, and I picked this up from Desk Gems, and I really love this stamp. This is so cute. The ink that I use for stamping this is the Versa Magic Midnight Black. I'm going to have a separate video of the Versa Magic just because this is a very nice ink if you are using very thin paper like the hobonichi Tomoe River paper, so watch out for that as well. So for today we're gonna focus on three shimmery inks. I have two from Vinta and one from Colorverse. So without further ado, let's just get to it. I'm going to swatch using like a cotton swab, and then later on I'm also going to give you some writing samples so you see exactly what the ink looks like on paper. So let me zoom this in so you can see that little cute kitty over there smiling at you. So very fun, very nice. So I'd like to sometimes get fun stamps just because I like little cute things. Who doesn't like these things? Alright, so the first one that I'm gonna swatch is what we call the Vinta ink, and this is called Piloncitos. Piloncitos is like a green ink with gold shimmer in it, and I am going to shake the bottle, okay, and then we're gonna do a swatch, okay, of this ink. So let us get to it. So this is a really nice, fun ink. And I'm gonna kind of try to do this effect here on this little kitty cat. Alright, so that's what the swatch looks like, and later on we shall see what this looks like on the paper when it's dry. And I'm going to use my fountain pen that's already inked up with that. As you can see, this is from Fountain Pen Revolution, and I do have a lot of shimmer particles here on the ebonite feed. So let me kind of like just do that just to kind of have the effect that it's coming from that fountain pen that the kitty is holding. So let me write the name of the ink here. Okay, so this is from Vinta. Okay, and this one is an ultra flex nib. Okay, and this is called Piloncitos, and Piloncitos actually means gold dust in English, and it does look like gold dust. Okay, let me see what else I would do. Okay, let me do some lines here. Okay, and this is an ultra flex nib. Sometimes it does railroad a little bit. Okay, very nice, very pretty ink. Okay, and I'm gonna do like a little writing sample here. Let's do background fox. Okay. I love putting shimmery inks on flex nibs just because I think it showcases the ink properties really well. So my ink swatch is still wet, but we're gonna take a closer look and see what this looks like. So as you can see, this is a green ink with plenty of gold shimmer, and the shimmer here looks fantastic, don't you think? Okay, so that is Vinta Piloncitos, and just love this ink. It's a little crazy when it comes to shimmer. Really nice. Okay, from Colorverse, it's called Butterfly Nebula. It came out last year, I think. I first saw this in the DC Pen Show back in 2022, but I really like this ink. I have a sample from a friend. She bought a bottle and she gave me a sample of this ink. I love it. It's really nice. So what I'm gonna do here for this is I'm gonna take my glass pen, and then we'll do the writing sample first, and then I'm gonna give you the swatch in a little bit. So let me see if I can zoom this in. We're gonna do the writing sample first. So this is from Colorverse. Let me shake this vial so we can get the ink shimmer okay, on this glass nib. Okay, let me dip my and kind of like shake it up a little bit, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, so this is from Colorverse. This is actually very pale, and my glass pen actually writes broad. Okay, this is also very liquidy. Okay, that's what Colorverse Butterfly Nebula looks like. I am going to once again dip it in here and shake it up so we can get those ink particles. I mean the shimmery particles. Okay, let's do the writing here. Okay, and just a quick writing sample. Alright, okay, so that's the Butterfly Nebula. And now the next thing that we're going to do is actually swatch it. Okay, so I'm just going to use my glass pen to swatch it here. Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe I should use a swab. So let me go and get the swab. See how this goes. This is so liquidy. It's more of like really watery consistency. It's what this feels like. Okay, so that's a big swatch over there. So we'll take a look at this in a little bit. Okay, and the last one that I have is another ink from Vinta, and this is called Vinta Karol. So it's Karol Red. I think this came out last year. I'm not sure, like around Christmas time. But I love this ink. So it also has plenty of what looks like a gold shimmer, but this is like a sheening and a shimmery ink at the same time. All right, so let's try this. Let me shake this up. Okay, get those shimmery particles on there. Okay, all right, so let's see. Oh, wow, as you can see, this is a rich like red color. Oh, wow. Okay, and for my writing sample, I am going to use my fountain pen that is already inked up with this one as well. Okay, I'm just gonna do that for the effect. I really love this kitty. Alright, so let me write the name here. On this side, this is by let's see here. Okay, Vinta. Okay, and Karol is spelled with a K, not with a C. Okay, ooh, really nice red ink. Okay, let's do some of the lines. Okay, love this ink. Very pretty. Okay, so let's do a writing sample now. Okay. All right, so that is my writing sample, and as you can see, my swatches are still a little bit wet, so we'll wait for this swatches to dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like and provide you some other writing samples that I've done it. Okay, so now I'm back and these swatches are now dry, so we're going to take a closer look. First, let's look in the back and see if there's any bleeding at all. So, ooh, looks like there's a little bit of bleeding there for the Vinta Piloncitos. There's nothing for the Colorverse, and there's a little bit for the Vinta Karol. But if you take a look at the back, I do not see any bleeding from the stamp, okay, from the stamp ink. And that's the reason why I love using Versa Magic. It's because if you want to color with it. For as long as it's dry completely, it won't move the ink, and then also it does not bleed at the back of a very thin paper. So this is very ideal for those of you who have Tomoe River paper. Alright, so let's take a look at the ink swatches one more time. Vinta Piloncitos, very nice gold dust ink. You have the Colorverse Butterfly Nebula, okay, and you can see the purple with plenty of pink shimmer. And you have the Vinta Karol, and if you take a closer look here, it not only does it have gold shimmer, but it does sheen into what looks like a green ink. Okay, so that is what the Vinta Karol looks like. It's both a sheening and a shimmery ink at the same time. So now let me get my other journal. I also have another writing sample using my Take a Note planner. So this is my Take a Note planner, and this uses Tomoe River paper as well, just to kind of let you see what it looks like if you lay it on paper. This is what Vinta Piloncitos look like on paper. Again, plenty of gold shimmer. This is Butterfly Nebula. Again, if it catches the light, you'll see that purple ink with what looks like a pink shimmer. And this is Vinta Karol. Again, if it catches light, you'll see plenty of gold shimmer, and the sheen is also visible, like a halo effect on the letters on the outline. All right, so what do you think of this inks? Is this something that you would like to add to your collection? Let me know. Did you enjoy this video? I did. I like swatching different fun inks and also using this really nice fun stamps at the same time. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will be the first to know about my other new videos. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let me know. Drop them down in the comment section below. I really love hearing from you guys. I like to hear your comments, so just feel free to put them there in the comment box. And this is all I have for you today, and I'll see you again next time. Have a good day. Bye.